Alright, January 19th, 2026. Looks like all systems are go to fire up the new Burtz engine in our 1931 Deluxe Roadster. It's the complete Burtz kit with the head, the flywheel, the camshaft, the block. It's got an FSI ignition, a vintage Stromberg big number 97 with a vintage Burns intake. Got the Burns side cover just for funds. So I've got a few water leaks on the hoses with these reproduction clamps. I'll fix that later. Other than that, it looks like all systems are go. So let's go ahead and give it a try.